Today is Friday, and this means I have a day off today. Since February, the Wonder Wardrobe team is only working 4 days per week. As you might know, the team grew a little bit. Now we have 4 people working. So when the team got bigger, I started to think what kind of company I want to build, what kind of relationships we should have inside the company, and what kind of attitude we bring to Wonder Wardrobe. So I've read a lot about this 4-day work week, and I decided to try. I really wanted my team and also me to have a better balance in life and have more time for ourselves to rest, to do whatever we wanted to do, not just work all the time. Last year I worked 6 days per week, and that was not healthy at all. I didn't feel well, I didn't feel happy, I didn't have any balance, and somehow I always thought that as more you work, as bigger the results. And now, after this experiment, I realized that your productivity increases only if you give yourself more space and let yourself rest. So simple. Because even if you are resting, the ideas come anyway. It's not like you can totally turn off your brain anyway, but you can definitely try not to think about what to do next or how to fix some things all the time. You just can think about other things, you can do completely something different, and the solutions will come to you anyway. And now I can even see that I can do more in 4 days than I used to do in 6 days, which is quite crazy. And besides that, of course, I also feel better. I feel much calmer. I feel much happier. I definitely feel like I have a better work-life balance now, and I have a completely different attitude, not only towards work but also life. I allow myself to do more things, to meet friends, to go for a walk, to do basically like whatever I want. This is wonderful and has been huge. The plan for today is to just go out, take my bicycle for a nice ride, and I thought I will take you with me so we can enjoy this beautiful day together. Sometimes I tend to forget that time is a precious resource. Sustainable fashion is all about resources as well. The content I try to make shows you that the clothes you have can be enough, that the body you have is enough, but I've never showed you that the time we have right now can also be enough. I believe that if we take more time to be by ourselves, to slow down and do things that calm us down or maybe energize us, that can be enough to inspire us to keep going. It may not always be the case that I take time for self-care, but I try my best. Doing simple things that bring me joy recharges my batteries and motivates me to be kinder to myself and more generous with others. I hope you can find some time for yourself as well. If you do, I would love to know how you spend it. I'm sure I will learn something new from you.